Hello guys, and welcome to our brand new series of What Ifs. We will discuss some super cool space stuff in these videos and basically try to demonstrate the result of hypothetical but possible situation. So, let's begin.
By the title, you must have guessed today's topic. Yes, black holes. But by the way, what is a black hole actually and how is it formed? Well, black holes are the most dense and extreme things in the universe.
They are formed when the stars die or neutron stars collide with each other. A star's life ends when the hydrogen in its core converts into helium completely. And in massive stars, helium also takes parts in fusion reactions and heavier elements are formed until iron starts to form. Iron is an element which can't be fused even by supermassive stars, so the stars collapse under its own weight and gives off excessive material in an explosion called supernova.
But they are indeed a topic which deserve another video. So the star turns into a neutron star. Neutron star is the second most dense thing in this universe. Even one spoonful of neutron star would weigh more than 3 metric tons. But if the neutron star is large enough, it still can't hold itself and collapses into a black hole.
A black hole is so dense that we can't even imagine. Imagine a whole city is compressed to a size of an atom. It has gravity so strong that it almost breaks the space-time. Its properties are so weird and that normal physics stops making sense anymore. The gravity of a black hole is so strong that light also can't escape from it. That's why they are called black hole.
As we go nearer to the black hole, the time will slow down for us. At the boundary between the space and the black hole, the time would stop. This boundary is called the event horizon. At this point, nothing can come back from the black hole. That's why it is called the point of no return. So before discussing a mega black hole, let's discuss what will happen if you fall in a regular normal black hole.
As you know, the time will slow down for you and you will experience immense gravity. Your body will be crushed brutally and the strong gravity will tear apart every single atom of yours into individual particles and the atom will turn into their elemental form. But sometimes you are not lone victim. Some black holes are so large that they even digest stars and some other similar stuff in one go.
Normally, black holes are divided into three categories. A mini black hole that could be very small. Its type its size ranges from about the size of your house to the size of a whole city. A medium black hole is large and ranges from the size of that of sun to some more massive stars. And then comes the real beast. There are supermassive black holes present at the center of every galaxy. Their unbelievable gravity binds the whole galaxy together, and yes, there is also a black hole at the center of our own Milky Way.
And yes, there is also a black hole at the center of our galaxy too. But wait, isn't it a danger for us? Well, no. The black hole at the center of our Milky Way galaxy is far from us. Our galaxy is 50,000 light years away from the black hole, and our sun maintains a distance of 26,000 light years from the galactic center.
So, after all this background information, let's begin. But before discussing the results, first sort out how massive is massive. We have just discussed about the supermassive black holes at the center of galaxies, but we want more. Our hypothetical black hole will be nearly the size of 1,000 suns. A black hole this big cannot be formed by any star collapsing.
It can be formed only by the smashing of many and many supermassive black holes into one mega black hole. You can imagine its power. So, what will happen anyway? So, firstly, when the black hole will appear in our Milky Way galaxy, it will digest any star or solar system that dare to venture near enough.
Black holes are hungry predators and they never get tired of eating. This black hole will go on in our galaxy, cleaning up everything in its path. Imagine a large bulldozer driving in a wheat field, crushing every crop that come in its way. Over a course of some 100 years, it will wipe clean nearly all the stuff in our galaxy.
But wait, there is another interesting event that not had happened yet. The supermassive black hole present in the center of the galaxy would still be there. What will happen when these two black holes come near enough? They will start circling each other and ultimately collide and form a larger beast with more gravity and hunger.
And I know what you are thinking. What will happen to the Earth, right? Well, our scientists will discover this black hole when it is very far away from us. It will not be very helpful, as we cannot do anything about it. Anything cannot save you from the black hole once it decides to eat you. It will be like a death sentence knowing that you couldn't do anything. The last days of our life would be grief. World governments will try different options, but none of them would work.
And when the real beast, the black hole, will arrive, Earth will start drifting towards it, leading to a sudden jerk for us and a sudden death for us because we will be thrown back at a very high speed. The Earth will be moving fastly towards the black hole.
The Earth will be stretched so much that it will become like a noodle, well, a long one. This process is called spaghettification, and you can guess why. Then each individual atom of the Earth will be split apart into its elements.
Ultimately, our Earth would be swallowed by the black hole. It will be lost forever. If these thoughts make you feel grim, don't be horrified by these thoughts. We remind you that this is only an imaginary condition.
These black holes are monitored closely by our scientists, and if one is headed our way, we would still have millions of years to leave Earth and inhabit other planets which will be out of danger for another millions of years.
So if you really enjoyed this video and like this kind of stuff, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and like this video and smash that bell icon so you'll get notified whenever we'll come up with a video. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos because we will come up with some cool stuff about space and science every week and will entertain you once a week. Thank you for watching this video. This is AJ and
AT signing off.